Right, Chef, what meal are you going to show us now?
So now we're going to make a barbecue chicken wrap. We're going to need all these lovely ingredients. We're going to need some ground paprika, some mustard sauce, some tomato ketchup, some cottage cheese, some black-eyed beans, salt and pepper, some cherry tomatoes, a little bit of oil, some little gem lettuce, a tortilla wrap and a lovely chicken breast.
This looks interesting, Chef. What things are we going to need for it?
We're going to need a large frying pan, a rolling pin, a spatula, 2 bits of cling film, a clean board and some measuring spoons. So our first step, we're going to lay some cling film out on your bench, place your chicken breast in the middle, put some more on the top. We're going to use our rolling pin or anything heavy. We're going to flatten that chicken out. Come on, Michelle, give it a bash. So now we've flattened our chicken out, we can take that top layer of cling film off, Michelle. And we can gently flip our chicken onto our clean board. We're going to use our knife and we're going to cut it into nice small strips. Like a go of cutting it up?
Yeah.
Now we've got our lovely chicken strips. We're just going to add a bit of salt and pepper to season it. Gives it some nice flavour when we stick it in the pan to cook. So now it's time to fry our chicken off. We're going to heat some oil up in the frying pan. Get it nice and hot. And we're going to add our seasoned chicken strips. We're going to keep moving them around so they don't stick to the bottom. And Michelle's going to fry those off for me till they're cooked through while I make the barbecue sauce. You need a good tablespoon of tomato ketchup, a tablespoon of Worcester sauce, and a teaspoon of paprika. We're going to mix that all together till it's nice and smooth. To make a lovely tasty barbecue sauce. So Michelle's been frying our chicken there in the background. We're just going to probe it to make sure that it's cooked through. So I'm going to stick it in the middle. We're going to make sure it reaches 75 degrees or above. Make sure it's thoroughly cooked. If you didn't have a probe, you could cut some of the chicken and make sure it's not pink in the middle. It's going to reach 75. Lovely and cooked through. As I say, if you didn't have a probe, you could cut some of the chicken, make sure it's not pink in the middle. It's cooked all the way through. So now our chicken's cooked, we've set it aside and we're going to prep our salad to go inside the wrap. So we're going to start by cutting our tomatoes in half and just place them on your board. So Michelle's chopped our tomatoes in half. We've got some lovely washed little gem lettuce. We're going to start putting this together. We're going to layer our barbecue sauce onto our wrap. Spreading it out. Followed by our little gem lettuce. Our nicely cut tomatoes. A sprinkle of our black-eyed beans. And a spoonful of cottage cheese. And the final touch is our lovely grilled chicken. And that's now our wrap ready to roll. We're going to cut it in half. So there we go. We have a lovely healthy barbecue chicken wrap.
Should we have half each then?
Oh, why not?